Hey YouTube, today we're talking about a riding essential, a flat repair and a toolkit. It's like having insurance. Likely you won't use it, definitely good to have around, because when you flat, it can be a lot of headache and grief. Whether you're using a saddlebag or a tool storage container, you need to find something to be able to bring the essentials with you. Here are my recommendations on how to fill the kit. So as you see here are pretty much the basics and essentials that you'll need. You'll need a set of tire levers. You either need something to inflate the tire, whether it be a CO2 cartridge or a hand pump, spare tube, a patch kit, and a multi-tool kit. When choosing a set of tire levers, make sure they're nice and robust. These particular ones that I picked up were at UCI Worlds in 2015. Rafa had a pop-up tent and we're giving these away. I have not had to use these much, but don't anticipate these snapping on me when I need them. Now this patch kit is made by Lezine. I really like this patch kit, very simple. So what you'll find in the bag here are a scrubber, a tire boot just in case you get a nick in the tire itself, and these patches are glueless, self-adhesive. So they do a real good job being able to contain a hole in your tube just in case you happen to puncture your spare as well. So if you find yourself in a position to help others out, definitely do so. Subscribe for more bike essentials. Thanks. This is KSquared Cycling. Keep the grams down and the watts up.